कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaya. Tvam hi brahmaiva sakshat paramurumahiman naksharanamakaaraha taro mantreshu rajñam manurasi munishu tvam bhrugurnaradopi prahlado danavanam pashushu cha surabhe pakshinam vainateyo naganamasyananta surasaridapi cha srotasam vishvamurte. You are verily the source of creation, O Lord of utmost glory. Among the letters, you are the first letter, A. Among the mantras, you are Omkara. Among the kings, you are Manu. Among the sages, you are Bhrigu and Narada. Among the Danavas, you are Prahlada. Among the animals, you are Surabhi. Among the birds, you are Garuda. Among the serpents, you are Ananta. And among the rivers, you are the divine river Ganga, O embodiment of the universe. Brahmanyanam balistvam kratushu cha japayajñosi vireshu partho bhaktanam uddhavastvam balamasi balinam dhama tejasvinantvam nastyantastvad-vibhuter-vikasadati-shayam vastu sarvam tvameva tvanjivastvam pradhanam yadiha bhavadhrute tanna kinchit prapanche. Among the exalted ones, you are Bali. Among the rituals, you are the process of japa. Among the valiant ones, you are Arjuna. Among the devotees, you are Uddhava. You are the strength of those who are strong and the brilliance of the ones who are radiant. There is no end to your glories. Everything that has blossomed forth in its greatness is you alone. You are the living being and you are the source of life. Apart from you, there is nothing else in this creation made of 5 elements. Dharmam varnashramanam shruti patha vihitam tvatparatvena bhaktya kurvantontar virage vikasati shanakai santyajanto labhante satta spurti priyatvatmakamakila padartheshu bhinneshva bhinnam nirmoolam vishvamulam paramamahamiti tvadvibodham vishuddham. Among the 4 Varnas, those who follow the righteous path set forth by the Vedas, by being devoted to you, detachment gradually develops within them, and as they slowly learn to let go, existential bliss and lovingness towards everything, unity with everything that seems different, the beginningless nature of the source of creation, and the pure knowledge that I am of the nature of the beyond, set forth. Jnanam karmapi bhaktistritayamiha bhavat prapakan tatra tavat nirvinnanamasheshe vishaya iha bhavet jnana yogedhikaraha saktanam karma yogastvaihi vinihito yetu natyanta sakta napyatyantam viraktastvai cha dhritarasa bhakti yogo yamisham. Knowledge, action and devotion are the three paths of pursuit that lead towards you, and among them, those who are detached from everything are eligible to pursue the path of knowledge. Those who are attached need to pursue the path of actions which are dedicated to you, and those who are neither too attached nor too detached and who relish you, for them is the path of devotion. Jnanam tvad bhaktatam va laghu sukritavashan martya loke labhante tasmat tatraiva janma sprihayati bhagavan nakago narako va avishtam mantu daivad bhava jalanidhipo tayite martya dehe tvam kritva karnadharam guru manu gunava tayitastarayethah. With just a few good deeds, people attain to knowledge and devotion to you in this mortal world. And therefore, O Lord, those who are in both heaven and hell desire to be born here once again. I, who has already taken birth here due to my fortune, in this mortal body, which is like a boat that takes us across the ocean of cyclical existence, make my Guru the navigator of this boat, and you, becoming the favorable wind, take me across. Avyaktam margayanta shrutibhirapi naye kevala jnana lubdha klishyante tiva siddhim bahutara janusham anta evapnuvanti durastha karma yogopi cha parama phale nanvayam bhakti yoga tvamula deva hridyastvarita mayi bhavat prapako vardhatam me. Searching for the unmanifest by the study of the Vedas and Shastras, those who desire the knowledge of union undergo utmost hardships and at the end of many lifetimes attain to their goal. Even the yoga of actions is far away from the end result. Isn't this yoga of devotion alone, from the very beginning, is endearing and also quick in leading towards you? May that grow further within me. Jnanayaivati yatnam munirapavadate brahma tattvantu shrunvan gadhantvatpada bhaktim sharamayati yastasya muktih karagre tvadhyane piha tulya punarasukarata chitta chanchalya heto abhyasadashu shakyam tadapi vashayitum tvatkrupacharutabhyam. Sage Vyasa prescribes intense effort only to seek knowledge. Upon hearing the knowledge of the principle of creation, the one who develops intense devotion towards your feet and seeks refuge, for such a person, liberation is at the fingertips. Meditating upon you is also similarly difficult due to the wavering nature of the mind. With practice, it is possible to bring even that into one's control with your grace and the beauty of your form. Nirvinnah karma marge khalu vishamatame tvat kathadau cha gadham jata shraddhopi kama nai bhuvanapate naiva shaknomi hatum tadbhuyo nischayena tvayi nihitamana dosha buddhya bhajanstan pushniyam bhaktimeva tvayi hridaya gate mankshu nankshyanti sangaha. Despite being disinterested in the performance of highly complex rituals and in your stories being firmly devout, O Lord of the world, I am still unable to give my desires up. Then again, with my mind immersed in you firmly, with my fickle intellect indulging in those desires, I shall strengthen my devotion alone. When you abide in my heart, those attachments are soon destroyed. Kaschit klesharjitarthakshaya vimalamatir nudyamano janaugaihe pragevam praha vipro nakhalu mama jana kala karma grahava cheto me dukkha hetustadiha gunaganam bhavayat sarvakarit yuktva shanto gatastvam mama cha kuru vibho tadrishi chitta shantim. Long ago, a Brahmin who had lost his hard-earned wealth but who was of a purified mind, despite being persecuted by the people, spoke, "My suffering is not due to these people, due to bad times, or due to the planets. It is my mind which is the cause of my suffering, which along with my tendencies creates an impression of doership." Thus saying, he peacefully attained to you, O Vibhu. Bestow upon me too that kind of pacification of the mind. Ailaf pragurvashim pratyati vivashamana sevamanas-chirantam gadhan nirvidya bhuyo yuvati sukhamidam kshudrameveti gayan tvadbhaktim prapya purna sukhataramacharat tadvaduddhuta sangam bhaktottan sankriyamam pavanapurapate hantame rundhirogan. The son of Ila, King Pururavas, once upon a time, infatuated with Urvashi, enjoyed her company for long. Then again, developing a deep sense of renunciation, declaring that the pleasure of women is trivial, attaining to your devotion, fulfilled, roamed about freely, liberated from his attachments. Make me into an exalted devotee, O Lord of the city of wind. Destroy all my ailments.